Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I might change the customized URL to Den of Vegan Iniquity rather than Falafels Above, because that way, if I want to in the future to change my Falafels Above name to something like Tofu Stoffelies or Crucifer or Hummus Modius or Levegethan. Let me see, I gotta make up more. I don't remember how many names Satan actually has, so I gotta make more versions. Satan's Den of Vegan Iniquity. I may not. It might upset people, but it'll still be me. It won't be that different. And now, to talk about what I've actually made. This is pumpkin pizza. My pizza maestro, my pizza mentor, maestro pizzaiolo Vito Jacopelli recently made a pumpkin pizza, and I figured I had to try to veganize it. So this is just a store-bought crust from the health food store. They're very tasty. They're thin and crunchy, but they have a really delicious flavor. And so on top of the crust, I spread my pumpkin cream sauce, which is full of pumpkin and cream, a little bit of vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste. I just used pepper because it didn't need salt. And some sage, some fresh sage torn in, and you cook that till it's hot and thickened up, and you spread it on the pizza crust. You top it with some vegan parmesan and some vegan mozzarella and a few little bits of habanero pepper, all chopped up. If you don't like hot spice, leave it out, because they're pretty spicy. They have a nice fruity pepper flavor. And people often think that it's the seeds that are hot. No, it's the white membrane they're attached to. That's what you want to get rid of. Plus the seeds. But it's that white membrane that packs all the heat. Then I put these sun-dried tomato deli slices from Field Roast. And they smell just like pepperoni. They're so good. Vito used some kind of capicola or capicola, some kind of dark red, large, round Italian deli meat, and I thought these would give the best appearance, but my goodness, they smell so good. So let me get my pizza scissors and cut some. I wish you could smell this. When I cut into it, I could smell the pumpkin and the sage coming out. I also spray it with oil. I spray the cheese with oil. I've mentioned that I spray before, but I don't think I've ever mentioned why. It's to help the cheese cook and get melty. Vito does that too, and it even, apparently, the fresh cow mozzarella he uses has to have some assistance in melting. So that's where I got that tip from Vito. So yeah, and then I sprayed the cold cuts because they're generally very low fat, and they came out all nice and shiny like pepperoni would. So and I garnished with black pepper and fresh sage. So let me take a taste. This is so good. Talking with my mouth full. Oh my gosh. Oh. the sage and the sun-dried tomato deli slices. Oh, they're so good. Oh, there goes that habanero. Oh, boy. And of course, the pumpkin cream sauce is just slightly sweet. What a wonderful combination this is. Vito makes a lot of nice pizzas. He's straight from Italy, but he's got that California, fusion pizza going on. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I will have a recipe on my blog, and I will link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video in the description. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, though I will be uploading this Monday because it's Halloween. I'm also posting, I've been posting, and I'm going to be posting all weekend on my community tab, whatever scary movies are available on YouTube that I like, and a bunch of music videos of scary songs that used to get played on the radio when I was a kid. So do visit the community tab over the weekend and check some stuff out. Hopefully the videos won't be blocked, although so far most of them have been blocked in the UK. So, thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting my Halloween-themed community tab over the weekend. I'm also going to start making playlists and putting my stuff in playlists, and I will also link to those playlists in the description. So let me take one more of this bite of this wonderful, complicated, complex, not complicated, complex flavored pizza for the road. So good. So full of autumn flavor. Gotta try this. Don't turn your nose up at the idea of a pumpkin sauce on your pizza. It's excellent. I promise. That's sage. Really wonderful accent. Okay. See you later, guys.